Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add widgets to profile on Discord. So, what are we going to do first is we're going to go and click on our profile in the bottom left corner, click on Edit Profile, and here what we want to do is we want to add widgets. So as you guys can see here, we have an option to customize our profile with widgets. For example, we can add our favorite game, and we can just select a random game. For example, I'll choose Roblox. Of course, you can add a widgets and, for example, add games in rotation. So I'll add BeamNG Drive, for example, Farming Simulator, Dead by Daylight, Dark and Darker, and Red Dead Redemption 2. We're gonna click Save, and this is how our profile looks like. Let's go over and check it out. Here we have it. We got the games in rotation, favorite game. Of course, we can remove it, and that's how you guys can easily add widgets to your profile. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.